everyone, I'm Marc from Creality coming to you from Catalonia, Spain. I've been in 3D printing for 4 years now. Ever since I saw a printer working in a store, I told my wife that I wanted one. And after some research and thanks to a friend's push, I ended up buying the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Since then, my Creality collection has grown, and today I'm excited to celebrate the Creality 11th anniversary with you. My first printer taught me everything, from the basics of 3D printing to grades, repairs, and the fine-tuning prints. It motivated me to start creating my own designs, sharing them through Creality Cloud contest to challenge myself and learn new things to be the designer I am today. It also changed my job as a teacher, as it allowed me to teach my students how to design and print, with very creative results. Fast forward to today, I have the Creality K2 Plus, again changing in every way. No more manual calibration, blazing fast speeds, massive voice volume, less noise, and the first of all, multicolor printing without manual changes. These improvements have transformed my workflow. The speed alone saves me so much time, and multicolor printing can bring my designs to life in new ways. It's amazing to see how far Creality has come, making 3D printing easier, faster, and more convenient, and can't wait to see what they bring us next. I designed these numbers inspired by the Creality 11th anniversary logo. It has a text pattern and a modern look. I printed one in single color with the Ender 3 Pro and this other one in the K2 Plus, and they look totally different. From this very nice place, I want to give you happy 11th anniversary Creality for many more years together.